Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. I wish all my viewers very happy Republic Day. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Jan 26th. We have Australian bank holiday and Chinese bank holiday. At 7 PM we have high impact news and medium impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. And we don't have any high impact news for other major currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in monthly time frame now. So when we look at the current trend of the price action in monthly time frame, it is continuously in a bullish trend. And during this bullish price action also, we have noticed it to continuously form a green color candle, which shows the strength of the bullish trend. It has also broken the previous high, which was around 1936, and we are seeing a very strong bullish trend in monthly time frame. So if the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to retest the previous resistance level of 1000. And in the weekly time frame also, we are noticing a very nice bullish trend. It made an impulsive move and a correction move, which is a very good sign of the continuation of the bullish trend. Again, it made an impulsive move and a correction, and again we are noticing the current price action in weekly time frame also to be in a very healthy bullish run. So if the bullish trend continues, again in weekly time frame also, we can expect it to retest the previous high, which is going to be around 2000 level. And when we look at the price action in daily time frame, here also we are noticing a very strong bullish trend with a impulsive and correction momentum, which shows that the current bullish trend is very strong and it will be continuing its bullish trend. And when we look at the Fibonacci levels also, if the price action retraces also, we can expect it to take support around the 50% level, which is going to be around 1922. This level of 50%, 61.80% and 78.60% are all very strong support zone for the current price action in daily time frame. And I have drawn a bullish channel pattern which shows the current trend of the price action in daily time frame, and currently it is in a very strong bullish trend trading within this bullish channel pattern. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. As we know from the daily time frame, the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame also is in a very strong bullish trend. Slowly it is making a impulsive move and a correction move as it proceeds with the bullish trend. So only when the price action breaks this midline, we can expect a further correction on the bearish side retracement. Otherwise, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently, the price action is testing the resistance level of 1949. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to test the resistance level of 1961. And once this level is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1978 and 2000. And if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be around 1936, 1921 and 1897. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. So in hourly time frame, we have noticed a price action to move on an impulsive move. Soon we can expect a corrective move, which means that we can expect it to take support on the support level of 1936 from the 4 hours time frame. And if this support is broken, we can expect it to take support on the midline of this bullish channel pattern support line or around the area of 1921, and to bounce back on the bullish side impulsive move. So the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a very strong bullish trend trading within this bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1949 and support level of 1943. Once this support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1937 to 1936. Once this support zone is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1934 1931, 1929, 1925 and 1920. And current bearish side retracement is only a correction move, it's not a bearish side trend reversal in hourly time frame. The overall trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame, we have noticed a price action to go on an impulsive move and make a correction. Again make an impulsive move, and currently the price action is in a correction momentum. Wait for it to break the previous high, which is going to be around 1949, from where you can freshly enter into the bullish side trade in 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1949 and support level of 1943, and once this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1938, 1934, 1928 and 1919. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1949, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1958, and also it will be testing the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. And the overall trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also in a bullish trend, trading within a bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame, and the values marked in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to come on a bearish side retracement, and immediate support 1942. Once this support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1938, 1935, 1932, 1927 and 1922. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support around the support level of 1942 and bounces back on the bullish side, impulsive move, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1949. Once this resistance is broken, it will be testing the resistance levels from the higher time frame. Please refer the higher time frame resistance levels for the bullish side targets. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.